Hey everyone, Millionaire Advice here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online by using Google Translate. That's right, you can get paid up to $732 per day just by translating simple texts using Google Translate. Also, check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. First, let me explain how this method works. There are many companies and individuals who need their content translated into different languages, but they don't have the time or resources to do it themselves. That's where you come in. You can find translation jobs on freelance websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. But instead of doing the translations manually, you can use Google Translate to do the work for you. Of course, you need to make sure that the translations are accurate, so you might need to double-check the results. Once you've completed the translations, you can send them to your client and get paid for your work. You can charge anywhere from 1 cent to 5 cents per word, depending on the complexity of the translation and your experience. Now, let's do the math. If you can translate 1,000 words per hour, and you charge 3 cents per word, you can earn $30 per hour. If you work for 8 hours a day, you can earn up to $240 per day. And if you work for 30 days in a month, you can earn up to $7,200 per month. That's a lot of money. But, of course, it's not that simple. You need to find clients, negotiate the rates, and make sure that the translations are accurate. And if you're not fluent in a particular language, you might need to spend some time learning it. So, let's talk about some tips for finding translation jobs. First, make sure that you have a portfolio that showcases your skills and experience. This can be a website, a LinkedIn profile, or a portfolio on a freelancing website. Secondly, network with other translators and language professionals. Attend conferences, join online groups, and connect with people on social media. You never know where your next job might come from. And lastly, be persistent. Finding translation jobs can be challenging, but don't give up. Keep applying for jobs, improve your skills, and build your reputation. The more you work, the more you'll earn. In conclusion, using Google Translate to make money online is a great way to earn some extra cash, but it requires some effort and dedication. So, if you're interested in becoming a translator, start building your skills and portfolio today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.